A devastating flood has left an entire community stranded with no means of transportation. The student's task is to design and construct an airboat capable of navigating through floodwaters, debris-filled streets, and reaching isolated areas to provide essential supplies and rescue stranded individuals. Students will be combining different fields of technology with airboats, power and energy systems, robotics, environmental sustainability, and materials engineering. The students will have to create a whole hull made from upcycled plastic packaging that is to be attached to their own airboats. This will need to be tested with buoyancy, aerodynamics, and hydrodynamics so they can drift and speed along the track. With the added technology of first-person view cameras, students get to navigate their airboats in FPV view, which brings a whole new realistic and exciting gaming element to the challenge. We have 3 race challenges: the Speed Master Race, which essentially is the fastest round the lap, special delivery where the students have to deliver a package and save a simulated dummy, and a relay race that gets all of the team members involved. The design part of this is essential in terms of how the identity and branding of what the design boat is. Finally, we have what we call the investment pitch, which will get students to present in front of a panel, and we look forward to what the students have in store for us, and I'm sure this is going to be the best design challenge yet.